Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video. Obviously, this is a watch I bought quite a long time ago. It's been months, more than months. It's been a long time. So let's just get this thing open and get the watch out. It is, I'm pretty sure it's a Traska Summiteer, and actually, I think there's another watch in here too, now that I'm just remembering that right now. So, yeah, let's see what's in here. But yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a Traska Summiteer in here. I want to do a full review of this one, and then also I want to compare it to my Traska Commuter. I bought this watch even before there was a Traska Commuter. So let's, come on. There's the Traska. Yeah, here's another watch. I just remembered that as I was opening this box. So I think that's it. I think the rest of this is just packaging. Let's open up this one here first. I don't exactly remember what it is. I need to write down on the packages what they are. Well, maybe not. I guess this is part of the fun, guessing what I bought. You know, this might be a Seiko Mod watch, now that I'm kind of remembering. Man, I have to go back and find that conversation so I can figure out what this is. Huh. Yeah, cool. Looks like some kind of a Seiko Mod watch. There's an Explorer style dial to it here. Let me get this on wrist real quick, and then we'll go to the Commuter. I don't remember why I bought this watch. If you know what strap this is, let me know. Leave it in the comments if you recognize that emblem. Looks like this strap will just barely fit my wrist. I'm on the last hole position. Anyway, there we go. Yeah, actually it's a tad bit too big for me, so I might punch a hole in that, or I don't know what I'll do. So anyway, here it is on my 6.5 inch wrist. Random Seiko Mod watch, which I really don't know anything about at the moment. So that's always fun. Let's get this one off wrist. Oh, let's see, what does it say here? Oh, I'm pretty sure this is Frederique Constant. Frederique Constant. So anyway, let's set that off to the side. And let's open up this box here, the star of the show. Should be a Traska Summiteer. Assuming it's in pretty good shape. Anyway, let's get this one open. And I do have another Traska Summiteer now in the collection. So again, I don't know why I bought this. So yeah, let's put this one on wrist and we'll close out the video. Kind of like that pop of red on the second hand there, pop of color, I should say. So let's put this on wrist. To look at the movement in the back there. I think this is the Miyota 9015. Does it say on the back here what it is? No, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. See, that's winding. That's handset, so I guess it's not the 9015. There's no go state. So anyway, let's get this on wrist. I like that perlage work there on the underside of the clasp. Yeah, these are nice watches. On camera, it looks a tad bit too big for my wrist, but by eye, it looks, I think, perfect on wrist. If I remember correctly, these are 39 millimeter. So anyway, I'll do a full review of this watch as well. Also with the other Summiteer, I'll just show them both at the same time. So that will conclude today's video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.